I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to WordPress. First, ensure you have an active PayPal business account. This is crucial for accepting payments. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. From there, you'll navigate to the plugins section. You'll need to consider if you're adding a simple donation button or integrating a full e-commerce store, as this will influence your next steps. Now, let's choose your integration method. For simple payment buttons, plugins like PayPal Buy Now button are excellent. If you're running an online store, WooCommerce PayPal Payments is a robust option, offering comprehensive e-commerce features. Once you've decided, install and activate the plugin from your WordPress dashboard. This step lays the foundation for secure transactions on your website. With your plugin active, it's time to configure the settings. Go to the plugin's dedicated settings page in WordPress. Here, you'll typically enter your PayPal API credentials, which include a client ID and secret key. You can find these in your PayPal developer account. Also, set your preferred currency, payment methods, and return URLs for successful transactions. This ensures your payments are processed correctly. The final crucial step is testing. Before going live, perform several test transactions using PayPal's sandbox environment. This allows you to simulate payments without using real money. Verify that payments are processed correctly and customers are redirected as expected. Once you're confident everything works perfectly, switch your plugin from Sandbox to Live mode. You are now ready to accept real payments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.